People used to laugh at me, you know, how do you fit in that thing? So we're gonna come up and yield slow. You're about to see some incredible houses. Like, keep going, brother. You're gonna go all the way down, then you'll make a right. And this is a really good area for beginners. Not a lot of traffic. You know, people a little nervous about us parking by their vehicles, but this is a public area. Yeah, I try to give my students all the opportunities to learn and for us to visualize. You see we by the water, you see it's beautiful. Nice, there you go. So, you know, we all need to visualize. You know, money's a tool. Money doesn't make you happy, but you want to use it to make your community better. Go in slow, take your time. Nice, brother. You're gonna go all the way down. You know, we have some geese here and they can walk out, and it's just a different type of lifestyle. Some of you used to this, you're not. You know, a home is a home, whether it's 20,000 or 2.5 million. Go in slow, do a circle, come back out. So, you know, lakeside access. You see these homes, man. You see some wealth here. Not the hood, not the neighborhood. You got that right. But you know what? You want to feel like you belong, right? You know, you want to have positive manifestation. And that's what I want to say to this young man. Young man, you can be here. Young man, don't feel like this is only for a certain type of people. You know what I'm saying? You can be here. Okay, you belong here. So we're not talking about discrimination. We're talking about salutation. Thank you, brother. So I want you to see this. And these are some incredible homes. When you got money like this, sir, what type of house do you want? Well, I want a 5-bedroom, 5-car garage. Go down to the end. You'll turn around and come back. If you set your purpose and your goals are right, you can have everything you want in life within reason. Yeah, you can pull into this little drive. You're gonna do a 3-point turnaround. You can pull here. Yep, you're gonna see him do a 3-point turnaround. Yes, And I love these. Yep. Turn back. Turn the wheel to the left. Yes, and go ahead and just
forward.
Yeah, go ahead and go forward. You're okay. He's gonna go slow. Yep, just go around. You see a little yacht there. Stop here and then do that reverse. I want you to see him backing up. See him turning that wheel. Yes. We don't have no backup camera in here. Okay, you gotta look over that window. This man can drive, okay? This is why I love this area, because it teaches you fundamentals, right? Nice. Okay, let's keep going. Reverse, turn, boom. Right. All right, you're gonna make a right turn up here. So I know you're always on. This is a little different than what I'm used to. You know, we out here by the water, so whenever you by the water, you add 500,000 toward it. Nice, good job. Proceed, brother. I'm always friendly. I'll wave, say hi. Yeah, see? Nice person. I think I saw her on TikTok. No, I'm fooling. Follow the curve, and then we're kind of heading out, but I want him to see this, to make a right turn on this street, please. Right here. Go in slow. And this is a partially controlled intersection. We have 2 yield signs. Nice turn. Keep going straight. And again, these people have these homes. Some are newer construction, some are older. You can see it. Beautiful. It's just like a real estate channel, but it's not. But we're gonna go down further, go down, and you might see another Cybertruck. We saw one the other day. 3, bro. Come on. That's crazy.
Right there.
Bro, there it is. Okay, go down to the end, find a driveway, and turn around. You pick. So I'm having him pick a driveway. He's gonna pull in, reverse out, and then that's a Mach-E Mustang. He going all the way down. I am not mad. Okay, you pulling up like this, yo whip. Okay, bro. Okay, put us in reverse, man. Oh man, that's great. Now, back straight back. Yep, I want to back. I don't want to get on people's grass. You know, if you're over 30, you know what I'm saying. But this young man, he's looking out the back window. Woo! Okay, stop, baby. Put it. Yep. Now turn the wheel to the right. This man can drive. I know, we putting in work, don't think. Okay, we got an F-150, we got the Cybertruck down there. I'm sweating a little bit, but this man got this. You see me smiling, very confident. Yes. They either have that or they don't. And then he turning the wheel, man. He working. Now I'm gonna show you. See that truck? He got this though. Go ahead, get it. And gang, you're gonna see this Cyber up here. I love cars, I love vehicles.